Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to update my Hisense Smart TV browser. Before we start, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. If you use your TV browser to visit websites or stream content, NordVPN can help keep your browsing private and unlock more websites that may be blocked in your country. First, open the main menu. Go to the Apps section and find your browser app. This may be called Web Browser, Opera, or something similar, depending on your TV model. If your Hisense TV uses VIDAR OS, go to the VIDAR App Store, search for the browser app, and install any available update. On some models, updates for the browser are included in the TV's firmware updates. To check for a firmware update, go to Settings, then System or About, and select Software Update. If an update is found, download and install it. This will make sure the browser runs the latest version available for your TV. After updating, restart your TV to apply the changes. Your browser should now be faster, more secure, and compatible with more websites. For better security and access to region-restricted sites, you can connect your Hisense Smart TV through a router with NordVPN installed. This way, your browsing activity stays private and you can reach websites that might not normally be available in your area. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.